everybody, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be teaching you the basics, essentially the basics of SketchUp. This video is for those who do not know a single thing about SketchUp, um, those who want to learn. I'll just be teaching you the basic tools and how 3D, how to 3D in, how to make 3D stuff in SketchUp. Um, okay, as you start with any SketchUp project, this is what you get when you open the main interface. Okay, these are just some projects I've done for school. Full disclosure, I am totally a beginner at SketchUp. I only learned this because I had a project in school which required us to learn SketchUp. So I'm just sharing my knowledge to y'all. Okay, and these are just the templates you might use with in creating a SketchUp project, but you'd most probably use only this one. Okay, but not all the time. Okay, let's start. These are the tools in SketchUp, the editing tools. You can every new project is completely empty. It's like this one. It's like this. There, when you start, you see this one. This is a 2D human interface. They put, I guess SketchUp put it there because you want to have reference to what you're building to a human. It's like, I guess it's 5', no, 5'5". Wait, let's measure it. We're gonna use the tape measure tool, and it's 5'4". Who knew? Okay. Okay. So moving on. These are the axis. These are axes here in SketchUp. The green, I mean, these are the three main Cartesian axes. The red is for the x-axis, the green is for a y-axis, and the blue is for a z-axis. Okay. From any here, okay, let's start with the tools right here. This is the select tool. You can use this to select stuff that you made. Okay, this is the erase tool. Okay. This is the erase tool. It's self-explanatory. It can erase stuff. See, just like that. You can Control Z to undo what you did just there. Okay, and this is the line tool. Essentially use it like this. Let's line it up with the green axis and then line it up again with the red axis. Another green axis and then another red axis. Now we made ourselves a square. Okay, cool. Okay, we also have freehand. See, in freehand it's a little bit complicated, but it's useful if you want to make something that your creative mind deems important. Okay, now we have the arcs. We have this, the 1-point arc. Use it like this. See, we're going with the red axis, I mean the green axis, and then we're creating an arc. See, we have created an arc. We create another one, a 2-point arc. I like the 2-point arc because it does this, bang, and then like that, a 2-point arc. That's how I usually use it. And then we have the 3-point arc. You use it like this, bang, it's like this. See, pretty easy. Then we have the pi, which is just like, see, it's just like it creates an arc. Okay, it's pretty easy. Now we have the shapes. You have a shape of a triangle, rectangle, I mean, rectangle. We have a rotated rectangle. See, like that. See, easy. Now we have a circle. Pretty simple. Polygon. Okay. Now we have the push and pull tool. This is what you will use if you create 3D objects. Let's just scroll out a little bit. Use the pan tool and then the orbit tool. We'll get onto that later. But here is the push and pull tool. It's used to create 3D objects like this. Bang! Now it's a 3D object. Okay, you can put it like that also, like this, like that, like this. See, it's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. Okay, this tool is pretty great when you're trying to make 3D objects. Okay, let's move on to the offset tool. It's I don't know how to explain it, but if you have like this, you have a circle and you want to make a little circle inside of it or outside of it. See, like that and like that. This is what it's used for. Okay, see, push and pull tool, push and pull tool. Simple. Okay, now we've got the move. Essentially, you're gonna it's a move. Smooth tool. Okay, use it to move stuff. You can also point it on the lines, so you could move the lines and misplace the, you could um, you could manipulate the shapes to whatever you want to. See, just like that. You can manipulate every shape the way you want to, the way your heart deems. Okay, rotate tool, rotate. See, it's on the green axis. Now we're gonna rotate it. Bang, it's now with the blue axis. Now the pan tool is pretty simple. This is what I used earlier. Use H. The orbit tool, use O. You just press O on your keyboard. The measurement tool, this is what you use to measure stuff, what you made. Okay, if you need specific measurements on what you have done. See, this lady is 5'4" because we just measured it from bottom to top, 5'4" and 3/4. Okay, I mean foot inches. sorry. And we have the draw text label tool. You use it to draw text. See, this is the text tool. Okay, once you're done, that's the text tool. It's pretty simple. The paint tool, you have a lot of materials to choose from, components, styles, but let's just stick with the materials. You got water, you got all of these, asphalt, concrete. See, you got roofing, which is pretty cool. This, see, it's roofing patterns, and yeah, essentially that's it. I wanna let you all see this is the SketchUp model I made in the past month because our school required us to. This is our final project, finals project. See what I did there? I created a table, another table. I created some pizza boxes. I used the gradient tool, the paint bucket tool, to paint on roofing, to paint on this floor wood panels and the tabletops. Okay, and then I used I just imported a picture. I mean the logo, the poster I made in Photoshop. I imported it to here and made it on Skin, or is that what it's called? The Skin. Yeah, and this as also I imported this. This is the logo that I made in Photoshop as well. This is another poster that I made. I imported it and stuck it there. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Let's, if y'all want to, let's make another one. Okay, as we're making this one, I just discovered a new thing. You could also search and from the components. See, let's say I want a table. Ooh, that's a big ass table, but okay. Then it's all one component. So if you want to make it into single components, you just need to use explode. See, here we go. I think it's definitely backwards. See, you just need to expose some components. Let's see the 3D models, and pretty easy. You could also explode. Bang. See, with just freehand stuff. See, we'll put it here, then we'll rotate it. Oh. Okay. Let's rotate it, put it here. See, not bad, huh? Not bad. By the way, I'm using the SketchUp Pro 2021. This is just a free trial because I have no money. I'm a broke student who hasn't received his scholarship money yet, so please pray for me. Okay, so there are already measurements. If you can see here, this is 8, and this is the measurement it has. Okay, I don't know how to read. I'm not good at math. This is the measurement it has. This. Okay, now we're done with that. I want to talk about the shortcut keys. If you want to cut, copy, and paste, it's just like any normal keys. Just use this, select tool, bang. Let's see, want to select that. If you want to copy, Control C. Want to paste, Control V. Now you got a complete copy of what you just made. Let's say you've made something like really difficult here and you want to put it on the other side. You could use that, Control C, Control V, and you could also use Control X to cut it. See, cut. You can't use backspace, it won't delete anything. Just use Control X. Okay. And also I want to touch up on is, and then if you're done making your project, all you need to do is, you want to save it as an SKP file, as a SketchUp file, you need to press this save as, and then it automatically makes it as SKP file. But there are also other options. You can make it an SKP from 2021, 2019, all the way down to 2013 to version 3 of SketchUp. That's all for today's video, I guess. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out this channel if you want to. I'm not forcing you, but